Hello friends, in our today's video we are going to use the Gantt chart and we are going to showcase the performance of a process stage by stage. If you see that I have already data given over here, this is a order fulfillment data basically. When the procurement is happening, transportation start date and end date, and for all these six stages we have start date and end date, and the duration for each of the step is given over here. Now we are going to use the visualization part. For that, just select the date like this, click on insert, and here we have to use this stack bar chart. Just click over here. Now right click any of the bar and click on select data. Once you click on select data, we have to click on this add button, and for the series name we are going to use the duration, and for series value we will use these duration numbers and click on OK. Now if you see that duration is highlighted in this yellow bar, right? Now what we will do, now we are going to use the access bar which is showing over here. If you see, it is showing as 1 2 3 4 5 6. Instead of this number we are going to use these names. So click on edit and just select the range like this and OK. Click on OK. Now just right click over here, and under fill we don't want to use the color, so click on no fill. Now if you see that the data is coming like last mile delivery, custom clearance, so it should be like that. The procurement should come at the top, and after that transportation part, and then order processing and so on. And for this what we will do, just click this access, right click and format access. Now over here if you see that there is the option of categories in reverse order, so just tick over here. Now these categories are coming that we wanted like that, and we don't want to use this chart title. Right click and delete. Now this is the format, this is the access part basically. So right click and format access. If you see that this is the minimum and maximum bound showing over here, this is the kind of distance from procurement to this bar, but we want to show it in such a order so that it will show us the duration between the start date and end date. So if I use this start date like this and end date like this, so we want to use this minimum bound and this should be the maximum bound. But if you see that the mix, just again clicking over here, if you see that minimum bound and maximum bound, these are coming in numbers, but here we are having it in date format. So what we will do, just select this and change it to number format so that we can see the number view over for these dates. Now it will be easier for us to write it manually over here. So minimum bound should be 45352, 45352, and maximum bound should be 45378, 45378, and enter. Now if you see, it is showing like this. So this is the thing that we can show. One more thing, we can add the data label over here and add data label. Just drag it accordingly. If you see, our performance for each stage is showing. For procurement it has, for procurement it is taking 7 days, transportation 5 days, and likewise we are showing the performance for each and every stage. And I will be covering more charts in this series. If you have still not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe and mention your comment in the comment section. Any feedback, I will try to implement it. So let us meet in our next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.